forget where you're coming from. King Shango set the trend. Yo, I want them. Mama.
Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, datmisehtv. Now guys, we are back with another house hunting video. Yes, I know it's been a while, but we are back with another house hunting video. We are in the parish of St Ann in the town of Ocho Rios today, and we are going to be looking at a development called Ocho Rios Country Club. Now, Ocho Rios Country Club is a 24-hour secured gated development overlooking the town of Ocho Rios and the Caribbean Sea. The development sits on approximately 17 acres and offers a mixture of 2- and 3-bedroom bungalows, 3-bedroom, 3-bathroom, 2-story homes, and 3-bedroom, 3.5-bathroom townhomes. The development also includes a pool, a multi-purpose court, lots of green spaces, kids play area, and a country club with a rooftop terrace. Now, as usual guys, we like to take you on a little bit of a drive before we get to the development, just to show you what the surrounding areas look like. It is really a stone's throw away from Ocho Rios. So as we come up here, we take this left and the development is on the left also. Now guys, they do have a model unit here at the Ocho Rios Country Club. There is a model unit for the 3-bedroom, 3-bathroom, split level house, okay, not the townhouse, but the 3-bedroom, 3-bathroom, split level standalone house. So we are going to be having a look at that model unit today. Guys, I'm also going to be showing you the computer generated images of the other units, okay? So the 3-bedroom, 3.5-bathroom townhome, the 2-bedroom, 3-bathroom bungalow, and the 3-bedroom, 3-bathroom bungalow. I'm going to be showing you the computer images of those also, of course, as well as the layouts of each unit. So here guys, as we come towards Ocho Rios Country Club, you can see the development on the left hand side. And here we are, Ocho Rios Country Club. Now guys, as I've said, the development will feature a country club, a swimming pool, kids play area, and here is just a computer generated image of what that country club will look like once it's completed. Okay, now right in front of us, this is a 3-bedroom, 3-bathroom standalone model unit, and we're going to be having a look at that in a short while. But let's just have a look at the surrounding areas guys, and look at what work is taking place at the moment. Guys, what you will notice about this development is that the buildings are cast, okay? So they're not used with, traditional bricks that a lot of the houses here in Jamaica are built with. A lot of these new developments are casting, the houses and then using the drywall inside to divide the rooms. I know people have mixed feelings about that. Some people think yay, some people are like nay. I guess it's just a personal opinion, right? So there's some of the work that's taking place. Where you see that those stones up on the hill, all of those, all up there will be developed as well. You can see quite a lot of work is taking place at the moment. So guys, the 3-bedroom, 3-bathroom standalone unit or detached unit is what we're going to be having a look at in a moment. Let's have a look at prices. So as we go along, I will be telling you the prices of each unit as we view them. There's Mr. Outlaw, always in the video. Okay, so the 3-bedroom, 3-bathroom split level starts at 43 million Jamaican dollars, 205,000 GBP, 285,000 US dollars, and 358,000 Canadian dollars. Now, this is just a layout of the floor plan. So you've got the ground floor and the top floor. And before we actually go and have a look at the model unit, 3-bedroom, 3-bathroom split level model unit, we're just going to have a look at the computer generated image first. And then you can compare, you know, does the computer image really reflect the model unit? Okay guys, Outlaw and I went into the model unit, the 3-bedroom, 3-bathroom, split level. And here we are as you walk in, open plan concept again, kitchen at the back. They've got this tray detailing on the ceiling, which I quite like. And just to give you an idea, I'm standing in the kitchen now just to give you an idea of the space from the back of the downstairs. Right, the kitchen units you see here, guys, are not set in stone, and I believe that throughout the model unit, they have been playing around with kitchen units and the closets based on people's feedback. So this is not necessarily set in stone. This may change as they kind of develop the designs. So this may not be the finished look. So there is a bedroom on the ground floor. This is the wash area, of course. There is a bedroom to the ground floor and a storage cupboard area. Now these grey doors that you see, this is a new design. I believe that some time ago the doors were completely different. And this is what I say, that, you know, if you come and have a look at the model unit, the finishes that you see may not be the finishes that are included in the completed units. They are still kind of trying to figure out design ideas. And again, in every room that you go into, they have those tray ceilings. So this is at the back of the room, again to give you an idea of the space. And then we have the ensuite bathroom. And there's that downstairs closet, extra space to store things. Okay, as you go up the stairs, there is a nice big long window on the staircase. And at the top of the staircase, you can see there are 3 further doors. Okay, into the master bedroom. So you have the closet directly in front of you. To the left you have the bathroom, and to the right you have the bedroom space. Right, this is the closet. It's very dark, and this is going to be changed. So they're not keeping this design. Based off feedback from people who say it's too dark, they're going to be taking it out and putting in another style of closet, or another colour should I say. So into the ensuite bathroom. And this is the master bedroom. Okay. Into bedroom number 2. Okay, very similar style. And bathroom. Okay, and this bedroom has a balcony. And let's have a look at the outside space. So this is to the side of the house that we're having a look at here. And then right round to the back of the property. Right, okay, on to the townhouse. Price is 3 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms, or 3 bedrooms, 3.5 bathrooms. So prices for the 3-bedroom townhouses: 53 million Jamaican dollars, 253,000 pounds, 351,000 US dollars, and 441,000 Canadian dollars. And here is the layout of the 3-bedroom townhouse, first and second floor. And the townhouse has a roof mezzanine on top, which is a nice feature. Let's have a look at the computer generated image for the 3-bedroom townhouse. Okay, right, coming up next we have the 3-bedroom, 3-bathroom bungalow, and prices for those start at 37 million Jamaican dollars, 177,000 GBP, 245,000 US dollars, and 307,000 Canadian dollars. Okay, so here is the floor plan for the 3-bedroom bungalow. And coming up is the computer image for the 3-bedroom bungalow once they are completed. And guys, also just to be mindful, like I've said, the finishes you see in the model unit and then also in these computer generated images may not be, the final finishes once the units have been built and they're finished. Like I said, the designers are still playing about and tinkering with, design ideas, color schemes, and things like that. So just be aware that the finish may be different from what is seen in this video. Right, okay, and finally coming up, the prices for the 2-bedroom, 3-bathroom or 2-bedroom, 2.5-bathroom bungalow starting at 34 million Jamaican dollars, 162,000 pounds, 226,000 US dollars, and 283,000 Canadian dollars. Here are the floor plans for the 2-bedroom bungalow. And the last computer image for the 2-bedroom bungalows. Right, guys, if you are interested in gaining any further information about this development or any of the units, then the information for the developers is coming up on your screens now. The numbers, contact information coming up on your screens now if you'd like some further information. Guys, thanks for watching this video today. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And until next time, datmisehtv.
This one has got to be now, 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 now. Hey, Mr. Cruz. If it's money, we don't talk about it, cause we don't brag about it. House on the hill, that's how we go about it.